All right. This is a very simple tag. Looks like it was hand sewn. A patterned material on the front, the grommet, and then it's sewn, but looks like it has sticky paper underneath it. I just really like this metallic tree. I'm not sure what else I'm going to do with it. I'll just have to see what I think once it dries. I might just leave it as is, or I don't know. We'll see. I just had some glue come out the end, which is one of my warning things, that you don't put so much near the edges that it seeps out. Or get the paper so wet that it bubbles up and doesn't lie flat for you. Sometimes you can solve that by putting it in underweight for a while, and it will straighten itself out. Sometimes it does not. Sometimes it bubbles up the paper. So it's six and a half dozen. And here you see the embellishment. Basically, I added random size sequins across the card, tied a green chiffon bow for the top, and at the bottom I've got a little cluster of sequins and ornaments to make it look like the tree is being decorated. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a good evening. Come back soon.